Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I absolutely love working with my sourdough starter, and it's so much easier when you have a great set. That's exactly what you're going to get with this awesome set from EverBetter Living. I am in love with the wide glass jar that you get with this kit. It makes working with the sourdough, feeding it, making sure that it's nice and healthy, so much easier thanks to that wide mouth jar. The kit also includes 3 silicone spatulas, and yes, everything in the kit is dishwasher safe. So the spatulas help me to mix it, they help me to keep that extra dough from coming up the side so I can't see inside. It's just such a great set that lets me work with my sourdough every day if I want to. The kit itself includes a thermometer that you stick right on there so you can definitely see what temperature you're working with in your home. And it includes the band, traditional band with a nice modern font so that you can keep track of the days. The kit also includes the linen cover and a really nice, beautiful bamboo top as well. So if I stick it in the fridge, I know that my sourdough is going to be nice and protected in there, not taking in too many of the elements. I love working with my sourdough. Honestly, I refer to it as my baby. And knowing I have a great jar that I can work with so that I can get this ready for my bread making days just makes my day so much easier and more fun working with sourdough. And that's my point of view.